Okay, so this is my first attempt of a POV video. See how this goes really. So I'm using the DJI OSMO Pocket 3 and my Q3, mainly because it has autofocus and I'm feeling a little bit lazy today. So this is the bridge that I would normally cross to get into the city. Now the problem with this is the bridge has been out of action for about 4 months and it ain't going to be fixed anytime soon. Apparently they're saying December, so I'm going to have to find another way to get to the city centre. But I thought I'd walk around here, do a test to see if I can do a POV video. Yep, that's how you fix it. Fucking hell. Wonder why it's broken. Oh, that master's in the way. Oh well, see if we can get a shot over there. That's better. That's a cleaner view there. So obviously I'm in New Zealand and it's autumn time. We're coming into winter soon. But this is an autumn day in Auckland. I can't complain really, can I? Beautiful blue skies and there's nobody around. Now I think this shot would look really good in high contrast monochrome. Okay, so I'm shooting at f8 and I might go down low on this one that way, and then let's use the flip screen. I'm not walking down the end there because there's nothing down there. Right, so we're going to walk over here. Can I get a photo of myself? Shadow! Shadow Daryl, there we go. anything there. Yeah, not too bad. Let's have a look. Can't really complain of that view, can you? Let's change that to colour because I want you to see the boat is basically grey. And then let's get that there. I don't want to get the front of the boat in the picture. This floor's creaking a bit too much for my liking. Anyway. Okay, it's locked out down here, but if I can skinny myself down, I can hide in that shadow, because there I am. Okay, right, let's do a few more minutes and then I'll call it quits for this video, because I honestly don't know what it's going to look like. Must admit, I do like the tilt screen on the SL3. Let me see if I can get one of these cyclists with a 1000-second f8. So let's have a look.
I've never seen it so quiet.
Yeah, nice and quiet.
The only problem with trying to take photos of people down here is you stand out like a sore thumb because there's nobody else around. Let me see if I can get something here with the shadows.